Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about car donation California. Looking for an easy way to donate your car and get a tax detection in California. First of all, you have come to right place at Cars for Kids. We make vehicle donations simple so that you can get out and still make it to your pilot's class on time. So, first enter your vehicle info, which year, make, model, mileage, everything which is you donate. So, first of all, free towing, love keeping thing basic we do to contact us and we shall come to your car absolutely free of charge. Quick turnaround. We guarantee crazy fast pickup, sometimes even within 24 hours, so you can rest easy. Tax detection. Right off your car, donate your vehicle and receive a tax detectable receipt equal to value of your vehicle. How to donate your car in California, a breakdown. We can show you how to donate your car in 4 simple steps. Don't believe us, just watch. Cost $0. What you need to donate, provide us with basic info about your car. Time it takes 2 minutes. Tell us about your car, but don't sweet it because we accept all kinds of vehicles, even those without a pink slip in a non operational state or with expired registrations. Cars width does not discriminate. Schedule a free pickup with our experienced team of two truck drivers based all around California. You can expect us quickly, sometimes even the same day. Receive a tax write-off. Your tax deduction is based on the sale price of your car. We work hard to sell your car for the best price, which means more funds for charity and bigger tax deduction for you. See tax deduction at the glance to see how much money you shall earn on your car donation. Your donation helps fund cars for kids, youth programs. Your donation car can change lives. As a 501c3 charity, when you donate to us, we shall receive a tax receipt within 2 4 weeks. Plus, we shall send you picking with a free vacations voucher. Pretty sweet. How? Start my donations. Look at it. I hope you understand what I am saying, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.